Inspecting small cavities or even small drainage pipes can provide critical insights and information that are extremely important for later work. Today, I want to show you how this can be done using a Wöhler video endoscope and exactly how the device functions. We are now here at a drainage pipe. Here's the situation. There's been a bit of water damage on the other side, so we want to check whether it's down to this drain pipe, whether a seal has been squashed, or whether there might even be a crack because something in the building structure has shifted following some renovation work. And to rule that out, I'm going to use the Wöhler VE 500 and this probe here to go into the drainage pipe. I've already removed the siphon, so now let's take a look at what's going on here and see if the problem really is with this pipe. And as I go in here, I have to be honest, I can't find anything wrong. You can clearly see the water trails, a few residues, but nothing serious. This is HD resolution, so you can really see exactly what's there. With this camera run, I can also make a video, for example, or I can take individual photos of details, which are then saved on the memory card. I can also directly transfer everything via Wi-Fi, for example, to a tablet or to a compatible smartphone, and then conveniently generate a report and basically send it off, so to speak. When I look at this here, I have to be honest, there's nothing to see and nothing to notice. But we do have another option. We also have other probes for the VE 500, so let's just take a look into the cavity next to the pipe to see if anything has changed there. For that, I quickly reconfigured everything. We have several different probes here. Here I have this really small probe, which is great for getting into cavities. And then there are also longer probes. With this one here, for example, you even have 3 cameras available. This specific model only has a single camera, but it's actually really good for looking deep into the cavity right next to the pipe. That means I can easily insert the probe next to the pipe and take a thorough look inside to see if I can spot anything unusual, if anything at all is wet, and if there's any possible way to get to the actual root cause of the problem. So you can also get a really excellent and clear view of the pipe from the outside, and I can even switch the camera with the simple press of a single button. That means I can see at a full 90-degree side view angle, so I can see the panel here, and right now I can't really tell if there's anything wrong in this specific spot. And of course, as I mentioned before, you can easily document every single detail with both photos and videos. You can even do that with your phone. I've just connected it to the Wi-Fi here, and my mobile phone is now displaying exactly the same image as the video endoscope. And if you really want to, you can also easily control the cameras and take high-resolution photos and videos entirely from your smartphone or your tablet device. All you need is a device with Wi-Fi, and here, for example, I have both cameras turned on. That means you get a split screen, so you can see both camera images at the same time. You can take a picture of that, for example, just snap a photo, and you can do that directly from here as well. Or if I just want to see that feed of just one camera, I can switch it over right here on my electronic device to see what I want to see. So it works perfectly both here and there. Both of these available options offer the exact same functionality. In the end, we have to say, there's nothing to be found here. There's also no moisture next to the pipe here, so maybe we need to keep looking. Maybe it's something to do with the water installation. We should give the Wöhler SC 660 a go for a leak test. Or maybe we'll have to take it a step further and do a camera inspection with the Wöhler VIS 260 so we can check the entire pipe run for up to 20 meters or 100 foot. That is exactly how simple and easy it is to thoroughly inspect small drainage pipes and cavities with the Wöhler VE 500 high-definition video endoscope.